Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we need to discuss third question. They are given probability of an event that is 0.05. So if P of E will be equal to 0.05, then what is the probability of not E? So probability of not E, how to define this one is probability of not E. So E bar, what is this? So we know that probability of event and not event is always will be equal to 1. So probability of event that is probability of an event, and this is probability of not event. Probability of not event. So probability of not event. So P of probability of event plus probability of not event will be equal to always 1. So probability of event 0.05, simple, probability of event will be equal to 1. Then probability of event will be equal to, so 1 minus 0.05, then here 1.00, that is 0.05. So probability of an event, probability of not event. So here P of E, P of not event will be equal to 1, then 0.05 plus 0, P of bar, that is will be equal to 1, then P of not event, probability of not event. So here 0.5, then what value we will get it here? 1.0. So 0.95 probability of not event. So this is our answer. This is the way to find the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So here in this module we are going to discuss our fourth question. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So bag contains lemon flavored. So one bag, let's going to take, this is one bag. So in this bag lemons are there. So all are lemons flavored candies only. So these are the candies, lemon flavored. So what you can say, lemon flavored candies only. So these are the candies. Then what is this here? Lemon flavored candies. Then our next one, what you can say, Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. So Malini takes one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability she takes out? An orange flavored candy. So an orange flavored candy. So what you can take it here, an orange. First one, orange flavored candy. Probability of taking orange flavored candy. What you can say, even Malini takes orange flavored candy is impossible event. So there is no orange flavored. There is no orange flavored candies in the bag. No existence means what you can write, this is impossible event. Impossible event means these are all lemon flavored only. So these are all lemon flavored. So these are all lemon flavored candies. Impossible event, then probability of event impossible will be equal to 0. This is the probability of an event. Then lemon flavored candy. So the event Malini takes lemon flavored candies, that is second one. Lemon flavored candies you can take, that is Malini takes, is a certain event. Lemon flavored, all are lemon, right? This is certain, means the event is existed, certain event. Then probability of this event, certain event will be always 1. So like this we have to find. If there is no existence of things or chances to occur, that is impossible event. If it is existed, all are lemon flavored candies, you can say all are lemon flavored candies, then this will be what you can take, all are lemon flavored. The taking of chance of lemon flavored candies or probability is 1. Certain things 1, already explained in the first question. If you have any doubts, please check it in that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.